What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Guys, today we are coming out here to the mountains to do some fall fishing. It is prime fall fishing right now. It is 22 degrees out here. It is freaking cold, let me tell you. So we're about 20 minutes out from where we're going to be fishing today, and I am super pumped to get out there and get into some fish. I haven't caught any, sizable brown trout in a while. Just been fishing the creeks, as you guys know. So before we get started today, guys, make sure you hit that like button. If you haven't already done so, please make sure you hit that subscribe button. And if you never want to miss a video, make sure you hit that notification bell. Let me know. All right, guys, so the original plan did not fall through. Seems like something that is common on this channel. So as you can see, we are out here in the woods. We're doing a hike. We're gonna see what we can get into, and we're gonna scratch the original plan off the list. So really, I don't know what we're doing. Probably gonna do some creek fishing, probably gonna check out some lake spots, and basically we're just exploring places we've never been. So stick with it and let's go. Well,
oh my God.
Yeah, so we just freaking hiked all the way back here, probably about a mile and a half, maybe 2 miles, and where we need to go is down there, and there's no way we're bushwhacking that. So,
oh my God. Yeah, I don't know if it's gonna be worth it.
I mean, come on, dude, we're already here.
Well, I'm thinking this looks like it's gonna be
Yeah, it's pretty marshy down there,
it
dude.
looks like it's super far, dude. Like, cause I'm thinking that right over there where those rocks are, where that guy's walking right now, is where the inlet starts.
Oh, those guys are way over there.
Yeah, I'm thinking that's where the inlet starts, but
Dude, we'd have to go all the way back around the complete opposite way.
yeah, I don't know.
You thinking about it or what?
Kind of.
You go first, I'll follow you.
I just don't know how to get down there. I'm thinking like we might have to like walk down a little bit more, because it looks like it may be dry land around.
I don't know, dude. I mean, look at all that down there. You gonna step through all that?
It goes around,
not that marsh.
Over there.
I want to do that marsh, but I'm thinking maybe we go around the corner, try to see what's around this corner right here.
All right, let's keep going. Here we go, freaking bushwhacking again. Story of my damn life.
Getting it.
Let's get it. Big old fresh pile of reindeer poop, guys. Let me know. Okay, guys, and welcome back to episode 5 of Alone. We are out here in the Rocky Mountains. I paired 3 of us up together to see how long we can last.
Yes, sir.
We're out here checking game trails. We definitely see some scat.
Let's see. Yep. Smells like a deer. Smells like some deer scat.
It's all just for nothing. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. They call me the Bushwhack Mac. Let me know. Some pretty decent spots down here.
What did you say?
Some pretty decent spots down here.
Okay, here we come. We just saw, dude, like literally like a freaking giant brown trout. We thought it was a carp. It was huge.
Be careful on your way over here, dude. There's like a million different fallen trees. Gotta be some fish down here. Absolutely has to be. Yes, sir. Come on. Just let that sink for a minute. Let the current take it away. Start bringing it on in. Come on with the fishes. Well, I wasn't recording, y'all. I just tossed out this hair jig. Oh, that's a pretty looking little rainbow right there, y'all. Oh, and he wants to fight. Oh, dude, he's a banger. Yeah. Let me know. Got off as soon as he came in the net. The good old hair jig. All right, guys, so we've been struggling out here in this creek. We've been moving up and down all over, trying all these juicy pools, and finally a respectable fish in the net, y'all. Let me know. Pretty little rainbow. Caught him on the hair jig. We're gonna go ahead and let this guy go. Let me know. So it's actually a cut bow. I didn't even bother to check. See that little flash right there indicates to me that it's a cut bow. Pretty guy right there. Let's let him go. Oh, oh, there we go.
Let's get him.
Yeah, I got him. Yeah, boy. What do we got here? What do we got? Rainbow?
Oh, what a rainbow.
Bring it on over. Bring it on in. Yeah, a little rainbow, guys. Let me know, let me know. On the hair jig. Get that out. All right. Let him go. Bye. Bye.